Want to know the secret to making $1,000 in a month with just $100? In this video, we'll reveal a proven strategy that can help you turn a small investment into a significant profit. From online opportunities to offline ventures, we'll cover it all. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, this video is for you. So, if you're ready to learn how to turn $100 into $1,000, watch until the end and get ready to take your finances to the next level. What if you could turn $100 into $1,000 in just a month? It might sound too good to be true, but with the right strategy, it's entirely possible. Many people are flipping items they find for cheap and reselling them at a profit on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, turning small investments into big returns. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to multiply your money. By promoting high-ticket affiliate products and using targeted ads, platforms like TikTok or Facebook, a $100 ad spend could lead to commissions that quickly add up to $1,000 or more. Print on Demand offers a creative way to generate income without holding inventory. Designing custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and leveraging social media marketing or influencers can drive sales and scale profits fast. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to make money with minimal upfront investment. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer services: writing, graphic design, or video editing. A small investment in tools or advertising can help land higher-paying clients. Dropshipping removes the need for upfront inventory costs, letting you sell trending products with a focus on marketing. Investing in TikTok or Instagram promotions can create viral demand and bring in steady sales. For those willing to take risks, crypto and stock trading provide opportunities to grow money fast. With careful research and smart short-term trades, a small investment can lead to significant gains. In today's economy, many people are looking for ways to increase their income without taking on a second job, or making a huge upfront investment. The good news is that with smart strategies, resourcefulness, and a little effort, small amounts of money can grow into something much bigger. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for something important, or simply create a new income stream, knowing how to turn a small investment into big returns can be life-changing. Many successful entrepreneurs and investors began with limited resources but used creative strategies to scale their earnings. With the right mindset and action plan, $100 can be the seed that grows into something much greater. By understanding the best opportunities and making calculated moves, anyone can take control of their financial future. With the right mindset and action plan, $100 can be the seed that grows into something much greater. By understanding the best opportunities and making calculated moves, anyone can take control of their financial future. Turning $100 into $1,000 in a month requires a smart approach, and several strategies can help achieve this goal. One of the most accessible methods is flipping items for profit. Finding undervalued products at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces and reselling them at a higher price on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace can generate quick returns. People often sell valuable items for cheap simply because they want to get rid of them fast, creating opportunities for savvy resellers. Print on demand is a creative way to generate passive income by designing and selling t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Platforms like Printify and Teespring handle fulfillment, while marketing through social media or paid ads helps drive sales. Unique and eye-catching designs can attract customers, and once a design gains popularity, it can continue to sell with minimal effort. For those willing to take risks, trading stocks or cryptocurrencies can offer high returns. Swing trading and short-term investing in volatile markets can turn small investments into large profits, but this requires research and strategy. Many traders use technical analysis and market trends to make calculated trades that can yield quick gains. One of the most effective and surprisingly simple ways to turn $100 into $1,000 in a month is through flipping high-demand products. Many people overlook just how profitable reselling can be, but with the right strategy, it can generate fast and significant returns. The key to success is finding undervalued or trending items that people are willing to pay more for. Thrift stores, garage sales, and clearance sales at major retailers often have hidden gems that can be resold at a much higher price. Electronics, collectibles, sneakers, and branded clothing are among the best categories for quick profits. Checking sold listings on eBay or Facebook Marketplace helps determine how much an item is worth before purchasing it. Another key tip is reinvesting profits to scale up. If an initial $100 investment turns into $300, reinvesting that amount into more valuable or in-demand items can accelerate growth toward the $1,000 goal. Building relationships with suppliers or buying in bulk at discounts can further maximize profits. The best part about flipping is that it requires no specialized skills or experience, just a willingness to research, negotiate, and take action. Many people have used this method to generate thousands in extra income, and with the right effort, it's a realistic way to transform a small investment into a substantial return. Turning $100 into $1,000 through investing requires smart decisions, patience, and the right strategy. While it may seem like a small amount, careful planning can turn it into significant profits. Stock market trading offers one of the most accessible ways to grow a small investment. Focusing on high-growth stocks, penny stocks, or short-term swing trades can generate quick returns. Researching undervalued companies, tracking market trends, and reinvesting profits can accelerate growth. Cryptocurrency trading presents another opportunity for high returns. Investing in volatile assets like Bitcoin or altcoins at the right time and leveraging market swings can multiply an initial investment. Risk management is key, and using strategies like dollar cost averaging can help minimize losses while maximizing gains. Options trading allows investors to control larger amounts of stock with a smaller investment. Buying call or put options on stocks with expected price movements can lead to high percentage returns. This strategy requires a solid understanding of the market, as options trading carries both risk and reward. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies based on economic trends and market fluctuations. A well-timed Forex trade can lead to substantial profits, especially when using leverage. Developing a strong trading strategy and staying updated on global financial news increases the chances of success. Index funds and ETFs offer a lower risk way to grow money over time. Investing in broad market funds like the S&P 500 provides steady returns. While it may take longer to reach $1,000, compounding growth can make a significant difference. The key to turning $100 into $1,000 is making informed decisions, managing risk effectively, and staying consistent. The key is choosing the right strategy, staying consistent, and reinvesting profits. Which of these methods would you try first? Have you tried any of these investing strategies before? Share your experience in the comments, and check out the next video for more investment insights that can help you grow your wealth. The key is to stay consistent, reinvest profits wisely, and focus on scaling up once initial success is achieved. Which strategy seems like the best fit for you? Making $1,000 from just $100 is absolutely possible with the right strategy, and now it's your turn to take action. Have you ever tried flipping items, affiliate marketing, or another method to grow your money? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear what's worked for you or what you're excited to try next. If you're looking for even more ways to multiply your money, check out my next video on investment strategies that can help you build long-term wealth. Don't miss out on these powerful insights that could take your income to the next level. See you in the next video.